Hi, this is Samuel Sangma, teacher of Adventist International Mission School. Dear learners, today I am going to teach student of standard 1, 2, 3. Again I am telling, I am going to teach today student of standard 1, 2, 3. Subject English, basic grammar, about demonstrative adjectives, about demonstrative adjectives, what they are: this, that, this, those. These adjectives I will teach you today. Please be with me throughout this class, then you may able to learn regarding these things. Okay, before start my class, I would like to tell you regarding pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is the word which we use instead of noun is called pronoun. So a pronoun always replaces a noun. Here, let us give one example. Karim is a good boy. So here boy is noun, common noun. So what kind of boy Karim is? Karim is good boy. So good is adjective, giving more information about Karim. Dear learners, regarding pronoun, let us know more. Pronouns are quite simple. However, do you get a little confused on using this, that, this and those? This lesson will help you to clear all your doubts and you can use these pronouns very confidently. Please be with me throughout this class. In the screen, students, you see there we can see a car. How many cars are there? Only one car. So this is singular. This is our car. This is our car. So this always we can use singular adjectives. So car is only one. So keep in mind then when only one or singular, then we can write this. So in the screen you see this and that both are singular, where we can put in singular. You see in the screen, this is a cute puppy. This, that means near, closer, near to me, near. This is a cute puppy. When a thing or people or animal or any kind of things close to us, then we can put this. And when little bit far, not more far or outside or out of our eyes, that one not I am telling, but I am telling little bit far. You see this and that, this and that, that means little bit far, little bit far. That is a cute puppy. That is a cute puppy. So keep in mind that one. Then when we put this, when we use this near, things or anything when near to show us, then we can put this, and when little bit far, then we can put that. So now you see, students, these and those both are plural. Plural from in the picture we can see here 3 ducks. Here also 3 ducks, but different is, you can see, this is closer, this is little bit far. So different is, this is also plural, this one also plural, but this one is closer, this one is far. So these are ducks. Okay, more than 1, 3, 4, 5, more than can be. But you see, this one, when those we can use, those are ducks. Those, when the things or anything little bit far from us, then we can use those. But these and those both are singular, plural. So dear learners, just keep in mind the above rules and take a test to see if you have understood this well. This is enough for you today. Just keep in mind which one is near or close to you, and which one is far from you, and which thing is singular, which one is plural. Just keep in mind that one. That's all today. Thank you. No more.